What is up, YouTube? Drew here, and you are in my personal garage today. And this is you guys who are subscribed. Love you. Thank you for being here. This is the illustrious 2002 Toyota Camry Solara convertible and its crappy original stereo. So I get asked all the time at work, Drew, how do I listen to my smartphone that doesn't have an aux port on old radios? Well, it's actually very simple, and it comes up so often I thought I'd make a video. This little gizmo, I've been buying these ever since, ever since they stopped putting aux cables into, or aux ports in the iPhone, which was years ago now, and they're down to, it's the best one I've had yet. It was only $15 on Amazon. Be sure to click the link in the description if you want to see this exact one. But all this does, it acts as a receiver for Bluetooth streaming audio, and then on the other side, it acts as an FM radio station. So you tell this what radio station to broadcast on. You would pick a station that's just static. You don't want to pick one that already has music playing or a talk show or whatever. You just very simply set this, like where I live, this is set to, I think, like 88.3 or something like that. And then the radio's on that same channel. The music goes from my smartphone to this, and then from this to the radio, and I have instant music. And what's really cool is if you switch cars a lot like I do, even cars that might have Bluetooth built in, save yourself the pairing time. Just bring this with you. It is not going to give you crystal clear, perfect audio, but again, the whole point of this is how to add Bluetooth on a budget. And hey, for $15, just drive 5 miles per hour slower for a month and it'll pay for itself with gas, right? Skip a couple cups of coffee. In this economy, it's not hard to find $15. So I'm Drew. That is the simple solution for how to add Bluetooth to any car. I should say any car with an FM radio. If you're watching this and you have like a 1954 Oldsmobile, holiday special, chances are this won't work for you. But chances are also that you could buy a special radio for it and have somebody professionally install it. So for a quick, simple, and cheap solution, check this out. Again, link in the description. I'm Drew. I hope this helps you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. We'll see you on the next video. God bless. Take care. Bye.